Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the device so changes take immediate effect. Update Chrome OS now and restart. This fixes system bugs that cause stutter. Close extra tabs and background apps to free RAM. You want headroom for Roblox. Then switch to a wired connection or 5 GHz Wi-Fi so latency drops. Wireless congestion often creates lag spikes. Once done, make sure Chromebook is on power and not in battery-saving mode, so performance isn't throttled during testing. Now you'll optimize the game itself to reduce workload. Open Roblox settings and change graphics mode to manual, then lower graphics quality to around 810 so the GPU isn't overloaded. This reduces frames dropped. Turn off overlays and browser extensions that use GPU or network because they introduce micro pauses. Next, cap the frame rate at 60 in Roblox to stabilize CPU and GPU demand. These changes reduce thermal throttling and make frame timing consistent, which directly improves perceived lag. Finish by tuning the system and having a troubleshooting plan. Disable battery saver and set performance preferences higher so the CPU won't downclock. If problems persist, use Chromebook Task Manager to end heavy processes and keep Roblox as the focus app. This reduces contention. If you still see lag, power wash as a last resort after backing up files because a clean OS removes corrupted settings. And if networking seems to blame you, reboot the router and test on a different network while checking ping and packet loss to identify the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.